Okay, we have a listening test. You will find the accompanying Google Forms in the description. Fill it up and see how it goes, how you score. Yeah? So the test has been divided into parts. The first part is about counts. How well you recognize your counts. The count test. First of all, I'm going to play scale with a metronome. There are going to be some samples where I'm not going to play on the counts, and there are some samples where I will play on the counts. Your task is to find the sample where I will play with the counts, more or less. Yeah, the sample that fits best with the counts. Let's see how it goes. Sample, the first sample, let's see. Okay, so the first sample. Check the other sample. Okay, there's also one more sample. Yeah, let's check one more. Okay, let's check one more sample. Yeah, right. Okay, so your task is to find which of the samples was played on the count. The second set of samples. Ready to this, yeah? I'm going to put it at 2 beats a measure. Okay, I'm going to play it in triplets. To listen to this. Okay, there's one more sample. Let's see that. The third sample here. Okay, check one more sample. The task is to find out which of them was played on the count. The next set of samples is to check for wrong notes. I'm going to play a tune, a familiar tune. Which sample has a wrong note? Let's see how it goes. Okay, one more sample. Okay, one more sample. The task will be to find out which was the wrong note in each of them, or which was the correct sample. Now remember, this is not a competition with others. See how you score and get better yourself. Yeah, I'm sure most of you are going to find it easier, but for the beginners who probably will take a little while, this is going to be a milestone, so you can know what you're looking for as far as accounts are concerned. Let's see. All the best. Let's see how it goes.